Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to install Canon LBP 2900B printer driver in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. So if you want to install Canon LBP 2900 printer driver in your Windows device, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up a browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for install Canon LBP 2900 printer driver. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page. From here you can just simply select the second option, and after selecting the second option, now you will come up to this website. From here what you can do is just simply scroll down, and after scrolling down, now you can just simply download the CPT printer driver of Linux, or you can just simply choose your device. So you can select your operating system. So if you have a Windows 11 device, then the feature is not currently available right now, but you can also use Windows 10 into 64. So Windows 10 files will also work in Windows 11. So what you can do is just simply install this version, and this will also work in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So what you can do is just simply search for that, and after searching for that you will find the driver. What you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you can download this version. So simply tap on download and then download it in your device. So after completing the installation process, what you can do is just simply open it. And after opening it and extracting that file, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the Windows key, and after tapping on the Windows key, type in Control Panel. After typing Control Panel, from here you will find your UI settings. What you can do is just simply change it from category to large icon or small icon. After changing it to that, now you'll find an option which is devices and printers. So what you can do is just simply tap on devices and printers, and here you will find the option which is printers and sceneries. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you'll find a Canon printer that you have just installed. So if you can't find it, then you can just simply tap on add device, and after tapping on add device, now you'll find this option which is add manually. So just simply tap on add manually, and you will find this pop-up screen. From here you just have to tap on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, and then tap on next. After tapping on next, from this page what you have to do is, so from here what you can do is just simply select any port. So if you have a 00T4001 port or any other port in your device, you can just simply select it. I'll just simply select my local port, and now just tap on next, and after tapping on next, now you just have to tap on have it is. So from here what you can do is just simply tap on browse, and after tapping on browse, now you just have to tap on your driver. So you will find your driver inside your desktop. Inside your desktop, just simply tap on downloads, and after tapping on downloads, here you can find your driver in the top. So just simply select the drivers and then select into 64, and after selecting it, now simply select drivers, and here you will find your Canon driver. Just simply select it and then tap on open, and after tapping on open, now you just have to tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, here you can see the Canon LBP 2900 has been added. Now what you have to do is just simply tap on next and then tap on next, and now this will install the driver inside your device. So here you can see guys, the driver has been added. Now just simply tap on next, and after tapping on next, tap on finish. And after tapping on finish, here you can see guys, the Canon LBP 2900 driver has been added to your device. So that's it guys, this is how to install Canon LBP 2900B printer driver in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.